Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In our previous video, we studied what is lambda expression, what is the need and benefits of lambda expression, and we also went through the syntax of lambda expression. In this video, we learn how to write a lambda expression. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So let's understand how to write a lambda expression. Now remember, what is a lambda function? A lambda expression is an anonymous function, that is, it doesn't have any name. A lambda expression also doesn't have any modifier and it also doesn't have any return type. So let's get started with some of the basic example. Let's say you have to write a method that prints hello onto the console. This method does not take any argument and does not return anything. So in a traditional way, how will you write this? It will be public void method 1 system.out.println hello. Now remember, what is a lambda expression? A lambda expression does not have any modifier. So let me eliminate the public keyword from here. Next, lambda expression doesn't have any return type. So let me eliminate the void from here. And lastly, lambda expressions are anonymous. So this doesn't have any name. So let me eliminate the name of the method. Now see what is remaining, the parenthesis and the method body. So now our expression will be like the parenthesis followed by arrow key system.out.println. Consider another example where you want to write a function that takes two strings as an argument and print them to the console. How will you write such a function in a traditional way? Let's say public void m1 which takes string s1 and s2 as an input parameter and prints them to the console. Now let's do the same exercise again. Lambda expression doesn't have any modifier, so let me eliminate the public keyword from here. Now lambda expression doesn't have any return type, so let me eliminate the void keyword from here. And lastly, lambda expressions are anonymous, so let me remove the name of the method. Now see what is remaining. The parenthesis having the list of parameters and followed by arrow key and the method body. So now our expression will be string s1 s2 system.out.println s1 plus s2. Consider one more example where you have to write a function that takes two string as an argument and returns a single string, which is achieved by concatenating the two strings. How will you write such a function in a traditional way? We'll write public string m1 where string is the return type of the method and string s1 and s2 are the input parameters. Now again, let's do the same exercise. Since lambda expression doesn't have any modifier, so let me eliminate the public keyword from here. Now next, lambda expression doesn't have any return type, so let me eliminate the string word from here. And lastly, lambda expression doesn't have any name, so let me remove the name of the method. Now see what is remaining. The parenthesis is having a list of parameters and the method body. So now our expression will be like string s1 s2 return s1 plus s2. So these are some of the examples of where you can convert the traditional methods to the lambda expression. Now there are few more consideration while writing a lambda expression. That is, a lambda expression can have 0 or any number of arguments. If the body contains only one statement, then the curly braces are optional. So now consider this lambda expression. Since it has only one statement inside the body, so we can remove the curly brackets and the lambda expression becomes like this. A lambda expression can have 0 or any number of arguments. If there are multiple arguments, then they must be separated by comma. So here string s1 and s2 are separated by comma. Now, when the compiler is able to guess the type of parameter, then specifying the type is also optional. So what does that mean? If compiler is able to guess the parameters that it is receiving is of type string, then you don't need to explicitly specify the type of the parameters that you are passing to the lambda expression. Now consider this lambda expression. Since compiler is able to guess the type of parameters and it has only one statement inside the body, so we can remove the type declaration as well as the curly brackets. So now the lambda expression becomes like this. If only one parameter is present in the lambda expression, then you can even avoid the parenthesis. Also, if compiler is able to guess the word return, then mentioning the return word is also optional. That is, you can eliminate the word return also. So now consider the lambda expression. Here, there is only one input parameter and it returns the length of the string. And since the compiler is able to guess the type of parameter and it has only one statement inside the body, so now we can also remove the parenthesis because it has only one parameter, and we can remove the type declaration because the compiler is able to guess the type, and we can return the return keyword and the curly brackets. So our lambda expression becomes like this. So I hope now you understand the lambda expression and you are now comfortable in writing a lambda expression. So this was it for today. We'll meet in another video where we'll learn what is a functional interface. Hope you like the video. So do like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for yet another videos of Java 8. Until then, take care, bye bye and thank you for watching.